kwa udi ekọ.
Me ni buy some bisa.
First na to dokunu say. First na to school we mo say.
Yeah.
But say shede na ma tani bibia.
Sikadie ni dos.
Penifoni be they are gays. They buy car for the boys. I'm telling you. Oh, we know the secret. We know much more. We know. I just said me car.
Oh, that be minimum.
I be a catcher.
Yeah, I know you know.
I know be a catcher.
Yeah, I know you.
I know about 4 or 5 boys which are holding CRV, which is man who gave to them they are gays.
Oh,
yes, he gave to them.
Ziggy.
Oh, masa me the car.
Gays.
Baby.
And you said something pass a bill no.
That is what I'm telling you. Into no more yes anu. Who share and penny for now? NDC penny for no share.
Yeah.
Most of them are not going like century. Who share NPP we rally nu. Who timi say get for no cry they did we almost rally ana we. Sir. Ayo ko share. Yes.
Get for near rally.
Rally. Get some share people who na omu tutu omu yabayi omu person omu kunu mu wini no mu
Oh,
I'm person who couldn't win, no more. Yes, because almost saskana. Even Anyamba, irimu.
Yeah.
Irimu, girlfriends, boys.
I'm
more boys. I didn't get. Okay. Okay, me but girlfriend,
yeah, simple.
But Obama would go Obama.
I know they knew at time.
Ebema, to talk as mom. Oh, Masa. I'm saying on evidence.
I know what you. Yeah.
I'm not saying on something I don't know. I'm telling you on something I know directly.
Wow.
What yes, Ghana for Ghana for bread. Na who scanner who just scanner. Untimi fa koye adoye bi po baby. Na who just scanner. Na who they according kolam bema to now to talk as mom.
Hey, as
I'm telling you what I know.
It is to say your mama about so pass gay bill. Gay bill no. Your mama so be pass.
Never.
Don't say a bill so or passing na a buy into law say won't me gay.
Yeah, be. Every day definitely the mama will do.
So be.
Definitely. Because your mama is not a dirty man.
Gay na say nkola
pa
area so we ghetto youth president.
People before mu dwane.
Give for
because be ya wa ya okunu me ya no ka so kwase okunu jimi nti we sa me ya no ka so fro kwase okunu na onu nti we sa no ko bam di tire ko kan say Zigi onu kran to me bisa masem one day we on a boy be your friend Sadat or New Boy Town ye ba ya kasem no say obeka catch we wo na me si hwe odu tuntun obeka catch o catch nipa na say 2 months of family kasa me friend be on fa no ni number me friend on fa. Because of boy now captain say me see or do me too.
Oh, this is real.
Yeah, I'm telling you what I know. I'm not lying to you. I'm telling you what I know.
Oh. And that's almost say you
respectful people who won't say they mention their name as respectful boy. I'm telling you.
And then build the pass it out.
Oh, mas I'm them di true. Me don't am be and who okay. Say we are on it. Say NDC aba. Before I'm sure before 1 year time ni bebe chi obi you be trap obi achi amamo na mo
gay
yes you be trap penny Ghana you be trap na achi na mo hu
eh ene me hu
oh
no di kwalato
me do nyame biom I'm saying on what I know not what I'm hearing what I know not, yes meaning body I top Benz amano o ma top Benz o ma man CRV o ma yende o ma
gay
gay oya obiri
no kana everywhere
omo ayiri mbema bebri omo ayiri mbema
wow
senkola no odini panu to no ma ne kakra no atoka ma no on fin bi o kope adafa na adafa no de ba no so be dini sa no
say to no e ma HIV
nti says e ba HIV nka omo ewu dada mati say bi mu kra omo machine yes e obi wo machine uba no wa ube kutu no the machine a clip unsa no a clip unai no ochi no fa wichi
empanifo ni bi
yes I don't want to mention name
osa no me yankola no
yes but what I'm saying is nipa no kratia onim say
no na won ka no
onim say me minim I know him from when I was young tama no wakola
odin kola to pe
yes ejuma oye do odin kola
we dey hu Zigi
mi do nyami
This is dangerous.
Oh, me cat.
But say we almost say youth.
That's what they are doing. So they don't even deserve. And in now count yeah, junior NPP no. Because the debt is too much. Uta say, inti na omu pe I read anya scanu because or this scan or the year way or the inti nyankopo emma wo sa tumi no ma unko biom because nyankopo nim say sa de na wunyan udi sen kola.
Ampa. That's
even the youth are deciding some boy run pani uncomfort set 3 minimum be dey ram.
Ram them.
On be ram fie wo. Akoye omo boni akoye na me say omo to mu ase. Obi anto no mu ase ansa. Se de mu penu manya ye nhwe na nyankopon ye den. On hwe sumaye. Ba munja omo ba ye be trap be chi nipa no. Ni ye nipa no video ma Ghana na hu.
Zigi won so dey okay so betimi ayo because minim ya timi ye
masa connect bia ho se si a opera shama information mema ho se si a opera die si wa shama se si a mi sina mi ba mema ho information bibia because we have people there who are telling us more people collation yes omu bias we more this thing
na Zigi mpacho se na wo kan dey minim say youth no omo they follow you. Young person talk about Ghana. But your camera and can be bitter.
Interqua and Bagana. And Takwa near best stop Interqua and say they should stop. They should don't swear. Okankwe Central and then Ablekuma. They should wait. Because down best swear, some swear and part they be seen in easy.
Kasacha IGP.
On person IGP. I'm so sorry. Don't parry over near Zigi. And I said like one part me from message in that message in my car bring me per voice the 17 car don't parry you should wait but I know don't parry don't have any power in the election you don't have power to tell them to wait
no yeah head of security
so you can tell them
you can tell them to wait
so then you should tell them to wait because there is things will happen some patrol me pa mucho bebre mumma bibia nyedi mumma bibia nde munhwe no mfa youth no nkasa mumfa we no mpenifo no nkasa no munhwe ansa munhwe ansa anye sa se yanso baba sadik ana okankwe ni ntokwa besi migdo nyame serious ntokwa nkrofo so bewu what I'm telling you tigana penifo mi stremu se mama so no ebia he obetwi no a because uhwa omusi some years ago you vote no we say Jemensa says Fred Bibi Coalition Center is final. There's no any this. So far as I know, Fred Baba said Coalition Center that Baba said he's going to be. He's the first mentioned name. He is the one who is going to do this thing. If not, things will happen. Serious. Ami Kachos and my before Ami Kachos and now go in the middle.
Oh me.
Esia. Ebi awe kasa makacho. You have to find solution before on the 7th tema. You best swear. And yes, I did this soon.
Wow. Mene Zigi akasa Zigi mpacho ukofo say me say wife chia no Christmas chia boys here
me chia obia
chia bobo mudi Zigi bobo mudi Zigi bobo here
me chia yokosto me chia overlapping
because me overlapping
yeah on the boss
me
overlapping overlapping and me boss
okay
it's my boss it's my father it's my mother because my father is dead my mother is dead nobody I have unless overlapping everything happens to me overlap but all depend for the minimum bia NDC obibia my friend saying special bodyguard to the president it's my colleague madam for what I say national security boss on my friend di no Yoko Stone in operations yes on so me chiano Matata is the special to the president and Matata no if you sometimes go NPP for your allegation be the chino they did allegation to arrest him just because of your mama. You understand me? Yes, so say me ni papa. Alasam boko mi chobia, mi chompen phone bia. Me bia, o mi ye mi chan. Mini na so.
Matias here.
Dey wu yansa o. Ya chia ya hu fitindu.
Oh yeah, we hear you. Zigi, but Zigi, I mean, it's always good. We wouldn't be already. Some portobio,
massa, me some portobio phone.
Almost sorry.
Almost sorry in them. Okay, Central.
O say Ablekuma.
Any Ablekuma. Mom swear.
Yeah.
They should wait. They should wait. Some be so be akra no be chess sitting for vacancies for the entire woman because a man from Baba Sadika ade be seen enye easy.
Okay.
We all Ghanaians will not be happy.
Okay.
Because that's what they said. Okay. Baba Sadiq should be swear in. Whether or what, because he has been mentioned first as the winner. So they have to swear him. Or not, they basi no basi. And those people who are saying that they are me say omuka Ghana for omu. Do omuka no. Do omuka sa no. Me don't nyame obetima say Ghana po. Leave the police, leave the soldier. Eh? Masa na sorry say be say obetima e.
Oh any.
Masa. Say sorry say be bibi anya easy.
Oh I know.
Anya easy. Say sorry say be bibi. Masa. Anya easy. Ah yesu ye penny for no. Yes, ye kra yes ye nyanu. Ye penny for no kra. Omu no omu so omu pidi. Man so abu amai. This Baba Sadiq. So what will happen? Sentiment me share me experience am one near my metima ye. Na ma share me boss no kai. Me say dey be sin nyezi. Cause no obi abesoro oba kra besoro aba. Oba kra she ni fipo besoro aba. So kasa se obi ansoro nko. Obi abeko. Nti do mu hwe no mu nye omu ntwen about Buama Samino de Omun train kakra. Me Buama is good to me.
Yeah.
Me ofia na Buama be gina get no from no chemi moto. Buama wa chemi moto da. Buama wa chemi otimi chemi 200 300. Which I say otimi buy a group no wa share 1,000 about 4 5 people 6 people no wa share 1,000. It's good. I like it. Man kase onye I always talk about Buama and I know.
Yeah, also a good.
Yes, he's a very good person. I always talk about him. But the Esinu now our people are saying Buama is not an area boy. Nti onko Kumasi no di MP woni papa fio.
Okay. Yeah, but here who maka. But asama Zigi aka no me minim no one on one. He's not somebody or can semetra onim ni oka. Into where they mensa IGP CDS but I'm sorry na monhu na momra chief imam on here from na papers na wo ho electoral commission mon show mo say these are the papers wo ho say ne kan say na bibia to di ansa na ya soa in me aka sam de maso atoto fam matete niam bebre anya bibia na betimi aka wo afidie so ba me say nyakopo hata swede obedi Ghana ho afofie na bibia atosin Zigi mesanda wasepa say o frame ye na ye be kan sem
eno aso na misa was
say o ka say yeah.
And then this thing Ablekuma no from ya
asemesi
ntokwa no be start FT akọ because the be sin enye
easy
misu ade misu matiti o because me I'm a leader.
I know
I'm a leader of the youth.
Yeah.
So I always go around ebi mu krabu for me say see am tell the brebu for me say once me kind of say mo munye ntokwa ni dey I'm supporting Buama.
Okay, Matthias. But we know you want the peace of Ghana.
Yes, I love Ghana.
That's it. And
I love Ghana.
That should be the paramount thing. Say Ghana be kwedi.
Yes, anyone know.
But that since I expose you pacho. Pacho, wo do na mama tuga.
Oh well, me number there.
Pacho Zigi. Or your hene or in Sase, right? Or Tonsase.
Yeah,
good or Tonsase. In case you want land bia semia ni ho oba.
If you are assassin, I only document. Who says NPP for no Jim Crawford people assassin? Then the document ever see ever jina oni asia the bema national security na police. Uba ni about to assassin ni nyomu dia o. Enyomu dia. But when the hiwa ye cry sometimes you know omu penny phone cry. Omu kwala no my chance. Yeah, padibu oni my friend Aziz. Aziz. Omu kunipa wa danfa. Nima NDC for be no bo bitu se onu wa ko tuwa world say em fan say down for government land down for government land bi o Paris farm or Paris yes the white list has been given to them say the land has been released to them but your mom actually
yeah
Aziz mu akotena ho no mu ton assassin no mu tuwa world o mo ton assassin na o ne sunu grant mi nka bi ukoka na baka say ne afre penny bi office leave them
okay
nti ade anade mi kan say isu assassin ye beji ade wo onim say o agi wa assassin bra ye ho
okay patch of na man tuga
yes ye beji ama 0244 78 49 67
patch of bobiem
0244
78 49 67 me da se papa nyame Israel aha ne yade nkomoni nyina ebesim na me de ni ameka ne se adwobrɛw ewi ase ewe yɛse asomdwe yɛntimi ntɔ ɛna wo sɛe ade a sɛ obɛsɛ nya bag biem enye easy so the youth make catch am sad bro bibia e ano ne de kasa ye mfa to kwan kasa I expose GHFM members but just subscribe here the tumpa now saka be man wasi bye bye.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.